Welcome to 250 VP, Deaf Connect's new office in Melbourne. This is the M2005 room, representing the Melbourne 2005 Deaf Olympics. This is the Paran room, connecting back to JPC and VCD. This is the Agnes Street room, representing Deaf Connect's first office. These two rooms are the VRI rooms. The first is called GA and the second is SK. Remember that from the TTY days? Here is where our marketing team sits. This is where our translation team sits. This space is for our communications team. And this space is for our executive. This section is for our interpreter bookings team. And this section is for support services. And here is the Deaf Kitchen. You know how important this place is. Now you know where we are at 250 VP. Come visit us at Deaf Connect soon. Bye.